Hi everyone, I'm Ellie from Denbighshire's biodiversity team, and I'd like to invite all of you to join us for Denbighshire Wildflower Week over May half term. Across the UK, we've lost 97% of our wildflower meadows since the 1930s, which is a big contributor to insect declines. So creating new habitat to offset this loss is essential for nature recovery in our county. Since 2019, Denbighshire has created and now manages over 70 acres of wildflower meadow habitat across our road verges and urban green spaces like this. We would like to use this week to invite members of the public into our beautiful meadows to learn more about these amazing habitats and the animals that depend on them. We'll be running a whole range of different events, including guided wildflower walks, moth trapping, swift and bat walks, and we'll also be having a wildflower plant sale for those of you who want to support wildlife at home. So please join us for an event near you.